Get one. Dalawa yan. Dalawa yan, anak. Get one. Oh, what number is that? Show mo. 11. Say 11. 11. Wow. It's a gift pack from Mama Love. So, lactation milk siya from Nestle with wheat flakes and malunggay in vanilla flavor and in chocolate. Sa isang box may 10 sachets. Ayan. So today is the start of the Christmas party ng Grand Bus. For this afternoon, this is their activity, BB Kids Christmas activity via Zoom.
So do you know Santa?
What does
Diba Santa gives the nice children gifts?
Bike.
So Tita Margo has a story. Because it's already 6 days before Christmas na, and then Santa has a big problem. Diba? We are in a pandemic, we have COVID. So in North Pole, there's also COVID. So the elves, he only have one elf to help him make the gifts. This is Mr. Elf. Here. What's the problem of Santa pala?
He needs more elves.
He needs more elves because the other elves are at home. They're working. They're only working at home because of COVID.
Ay, ang daing tao.
Daming tao.
Ayan. 130? 9.
Ano yung tatlo?
Sige. Wow, tatlo agad.
Hindi ko nang minanong ito.
Yan lang pwede sa akin eh. Ito, Maltesers. Ano lang siya? 89. Or ito, yung Smart Food popcorn. White cheddar.
Mag-relax ng mama.
Day movie! Check muna kung nakabukas.
Sabi niya, safe. Quality.
Check nyo muna kasi minsan nakabukas na, so syempre alam niyo na sa panahon ngayon.
Pops Max, ang galing. Baka naman. Ako na-discover dito niyan.
Oo nga, tapos ngayon tingnan mo lagi silang ubos. Ito sana, ang sarap eh. Ang mahal lang eh. Oh, 300. Super sarap kasi. Ang mahal lang eh.
Sakto sa ano mo ito. May red wine ka sa bahay.
Uy, ang sarap nun.
Sarap na ito. Sit. Ano nga. Kumbaray.
So that's the end of our day 6. And in order to join our giveaway for today, yung prize nga pala natin is yung Mama Love, Nestle Mama Love package. So, paano sumali? All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, Nanay Cess YouTube channel. Share this video with the hashtag Nanay Cess Xmas 2020 Day 6. And don't forget to tag 3 mom or dad friends. Ayan. And lastly, comment down below in the comment section at i-share nyo po yung inyong, if you are breastfeeding, share your breastfeeding journey, kung ilang taon na po kayo na nagpapa-breastfeed, or kung hindi naman kayo nagpapa-breastfeed, what do you think about breastfeeding? So, ayun lang. That's it for today. See you again tomorrow. Bye mga nanays!